Galing.
I still remember how to do these things, you know. All these years, I grew up like this.
Okay. That's coconut tree. Ano yan? Dito ka ga, tapos yun.
Tagil-ijak nga palusong pa ang dalawa. Ba, maganda yung palusong para isang tulak lang eh. Halagay na sa itak nito. Tugo, ipunin mo raw. Han.
What?
Halagay mo itak nito. Baka mawala oh. And while I'm cutting coconut, Ronaldine is just cooling herself with that, what do you call that fan?
Dito na lang.
That's a coconut farm.
No, this is not.
That's a palm from a palm tree. Palm leaves, that's what I call it. And that's Ronaldine's niece. And this is Life in Philippines. And that's Ronaldine's sister. And that's Ronaldine's dad, Tatay Boogie. And that is Ronaldine's brother. He's the youngest one. He's a little handsome. Wow. You guys should come here. This is Life in the Philippines. So beautiful in here. Woohoo. I'll send it to my kids. Hi, Ryan. Hi, Rai.
Nakaharap naman kay Tito Aligo.
Nasa